Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to share Spotify Wrapped 2023. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify and this is how the application looks like once you open it. So I am right now in my library. Here in the bottom, you're gonna find four sections: home, search, your library, and lastly, the premium section. Go ahead and click on home, and then right here in the home page, you're gonna find all music, podcasts, and here in the top right, you're gonna find wrapped. You can also access to your profile from here. So go ahead and click on wrapped, and right here in wrapped, you're gonna find your wrapped. If you click on it, right here, you're gonna find it's like an Instagram story, but each story has a song that you listen to a lot this year. Right here, you're gonna find your top songs. If you click on it, as you can see, guys, you're gonna find the list that includes the most listened song that you listened to this year, and also some playlists that you listen to the most. We're gonna also find 2023 in music, merch for you, live events, and there is also create a blend. If you want to create a blend, as you can see guys right here, invite friends to blend. Invite up to 10 friends to a blend, a shared playlist that gives you social recommendations based on all of your music tastes. So, in order to share your Spotify Wrapped, go to your top songs, and right here you're gonna find the share icon. Click on it, and you can share your rap anywhere that you want. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.